Hello and welcome to TexGuard. Today we are visiting a quaint country cottage deep in the heart of Staffordshire. Like most cottages of this era, it comprises of 3 different surface types. On the front and rear elevations we have painted render and unpainted pebble dash. On the side elevation we have unpainted brick. The first step is to ensure that all areas not being treated are carefully masked out with paper and tape. Even the guttering is masked out and protected. Pathways and garden features are carefully shrouded, leaving nothing left to chance. It is of paramount importance that all sites are prepared in the correct manner. Old and decaying unpainted surfaces are nearly always damp due to the substrate being extremely porous. These areas attract algae and spore growth. The next step is to eradicate this threat by applying a fungicidal wash, which, when left for several hours, will render the surface sterile and ready for stage 3. Now the cleaning down can begin. Here we are using the power wash alternative as the property has years of carbon build-up on its walls. The painted surface was recently done, so there is very little flaking paint. On other properties it is sometimes necessary to wire brush also. The next step is to repair all the faults mentioned on the original survey. All cracks, such as the one you see here, are ground out and filled with a sand, cement and adhesive mix. If there were large areas of blown render, then these would be completely removed and replaced with a new 2-coat render. These repairs are then sponged down, leaving a totally uniform finish. Where the brickwork is badly spalled, surfaces are recreated, again using a sand, cement and adhesive mix. Broken down pointing is raked out and replaced. Traditional renders such as pebble dash, stucco and rough cast quickly deteriorate over time, leaving you with very ununiform finishes. Previous repairs made on such surfaces are more often than not left very visible. To combat this, a bagging solution is applied. This solution is applied by brush and can be applied either lightly or heavily depending on the customer's wishes. It provides us with a solid base to work on, but more importantly, helps to remove any unwanted inherited scarring. The same solution is applied to all the unpainted brickwork as it prevents any future spalling and tends to give the brickwork a more favourable appearance while still retaining the brick line as a feature. Once the bagging has dried, a slush coat is applied. This is made from a silicone-based waterproofing solution mixed with the final coating in the appropriate colour. It can be applied either by brush, roller or spray, the specification varying for different types of substrate. A high-powered compressor is used alongside very sophisticated industrial spray equipment when applying the textured finishes. If you are having a non-textured smooth stretch finish, then this would be roller applied. Because the final application is textured and viscous by nature, a solvent is used to help to apply it. Once the coating is applied, the solvent dries off and the coating bonds permanently to the surface. The coating will be touch dry in 1 hour, but will not be fully cured for 5 weeks. Once this time period has lapsed, all wall areas treated will be maintenance-free for a fully guaranteed period of 15 years. If you feel you would like your home treated and are not adverse to having your home's transition shown online, then please contact us today. Very favourable savings can be made. Thank you.